Okay guys, hello. In this lesson we will make this effect like you see. Okay. Okay. This effect I take it from the channel on YouTube is Short and Sweet 3D. Is a famous channel, but I will explain how we can take this effect to track it in After Effects in real video. Okay, let's open a new scene. Okay, after that we press tab, geometry. But before geometry, let's take mockup by bit 3 and let's choose insert here, and we choose maybe this, let's see, and we take real time. Then let's be sure we uncheck this in place animation. We not need him to stay in place. Okay, this way we see he move then fall. That's very nice. Okay, we will press tab, geometry. After we press geometry again, okay, if we press I, that's mean inside, U up, or click twice here. Then we take node object merge to import our character, and we go here, we choose it from mockup, go to geoskin. From geoskin we choose skin geodeform. This is the place he have the animation, and you can see our character is coming. You welcome our character. Okay, that's very nice. Okay, the first step you must be sure is have many points, not only one point. That's mean is polygon. Okay, like you see poly. But sometimes if you import your character from Mixamo or from Olympic, maybe you see is only one point. For that you need to convert it to polygon by use this node convert. But here we not need to do this. After that we choose transform node to scale it if we want. I don't scale it. It's very nice here. After that I take polycap, I mean polyfill, to close this place. You see the head is separate from the body. Now is one. Okay, is fill now. Okay, now we need to fracture our character. How we can do that? But before we do any effect, the good thing you must do is take the rest of this animation. How we can take the rest, or how we can take the pose from this animation? We can use node here, tab, time shift. Okay, and click here, delete channel, and now there is no animation. We fracture here, then we transfer the fracture to our animation. This is our animation here. Okay, after we make our effect, we transfer the effect to the animation. How we can do that? In the next step you can see that. Okay, now we time shift. Now we need to do something is important. We convert our character to fog or FDB from polygon. FDB from polygon, where is it? Again, FDB from polygon here. Okay, that's very nice. Like you see is surface. We uncheck this and check fog. Now our character is convert to VDB. After that we scatter point on him, maybe 20 or 30, 300 is good. Why we do this? Because if we only scatter here, like you see, the points is go on the surface, not inside. Okay, but if we put it, the point is going to inside the character. Okay, we for now fracture. It's need the geometry and it's need the point. Okay, like you see, is cooking. Now if we press here, we can visualize our piece, or we can use explode view to view our pieces here. Okay, that's very nice. Okay, after that we assemble our pieces, create back geometry to give name for every piece here, and we back it to be very be ready to the dynamic. Okay, now it's very good. Now we need point deform here. This is the amazing and Houdini node. Here we put our effect, then here we take the time shift here. This is the point lattice, the rest point lattice. Now we need to convert our effect, okay, from the rest here, we convert it or transfer to our animation. Here our animation before the time shift, like you see now. Okay, that's very nice. Our piece is ready, but no dynamic. How we can import this to the dynamic? We need RBD fracture, RBD bullet sulfur is a new node in Houdini 18. We put it here, okay, like you see. And here in this node we can choose ground and put ground plane. Okay, it's like you see. Okay, now we need to guide this fracture by animation. How we can do that? It's very simple. Like you see here, we have constraint, and here we have collision geometry, and here we have guide simulation. I wanted the animation here, this animation, I want from it to guide our fracture. Okay, like you see. Okay, let me add some force here and here. Now is not guide. Why not guide? Because we need to go to this section, guide simulation, and use guide. Now our animation guide the fracture like you see. Okay, that's very nice. Like you see, as many pieces is full. But look here, strength. If we put strength is like 50, no pieces fracture. You see, is stay in the same place. But if we put 6, a little of pieces is full. You see, some pieces is full maybe. Okay, now I will guide the strength here by expression. Okay, for that I take this name, strength, strength, you must sure you write it good. Strength, okay, is equal fit, then open and close and put this sign for fix. After that we say attribute at time, then comma here and put in frames 0, then in frame maybe 4, then we give it maybe 6, then 0. What's that mean? That mean I wanna guide this strength with the time. If the time is 0 second, okay, that's mean 24 frame. If the time is 0, this attribute is 0, please let the strength 6, okay, he not see this, he see only this. And if the time is 4, okay, after 4 seconds, please let the strength is 0, okay, and press Control Enter. That's mean, okay, let's see what happens. Now is in frame 0, okay, you see some, now is full. That's amazing. Okay, how we can reverse this animation? An easy way we can do that by time wrap, okay, we can say this is the input frame, this is from 1 to 2040 maybe. For that I will put this, and out I want to reverse from 240 to frame 1, escape here 1, okay, let's see what happens. This is the way you can do it, or in After Effects if you want. Okay, like you see. Okay, now I want export this to Element 3D in After Effects. For that I need to file cache this, for file cache, okay, and save to disk. Okay, this finish is very fast. Okay, that's very nice. Now I want to load from disk and delete this, we not need it. Okay, now we can do what to export. I will take maybe convert to plugin again. Okay, this is important. Okay, I convert to plugin, like you see. Let's take the texture, and maybe I need normal. Okay, after that I need maybe color, let's see, and color I need to in vertex. Okay, this is important. After that I choose rope geometry. This is in the free version, you know, rope geometry output. Okay, and I will export it as how I say that. Okay, I will take this and Control C. I will export as like OBJ sequence because element 3D is import object sequence. For that I will press here after I copy this, but don't forget this is current frame. Okay, you must fix it. Okay, okay guys, here I will name it destruction character. Okay, and Control V. Maybe I not need this. This I not need it. Okay, and here I need 3 or 4 because I need sequence, and here OBJ. OBJ that's mean sequence. Necessary to put here 4 or 3. Okay, and here choose frame range. Okay, now we save to disk. Okay, after we finish we will import it in element 3D in the next lesson. Okay, thank you.